Time and tide waits for no man, says Geoffrey Chaucer, as the coronavirus pandemic and the lockdown did not wait for India to adopt digital learning. With due respect, all the jury members, worthy listeners, and the dignitaries, welcome to the online debate competition. My name is Nidhi Gupta and I am student of Chandigarh University. I want to present my views in favor of the topic. The lockdown has caused irreparable damage to both the students and the Indian education system. Yes, the lockdown has caused, as in countries like India, where the backbone of online education is weak and no curriculum was designed, the students have suffered a lot and they have become passive learners and there is no attention span. Moreover, besides going online, there was no implementation discussion and there were no socio-economic factors kept in mind. For example, about 86% of the poor people have no access to laptops and mobile phones, so they did not go online for learning. Moreover, only 10.8% of people used internet in last 30 days, which comprised most of the population from Maharashtra and Delhi. Thus, we can see a huge population had no exposure to online learning. How can it be possible? Furthermore, the children who are about to get their education completed by now and to be recruited by the companies have no chances of getting jobs now, as about 12 crore people have lost jobs in about 2 weeks. Thus, their careers are at stake and there are no chances that they will get the jobs. Schools and colleges will have no further recruitment for the hiring of staff as they have difficulty in using their working capital for the daily working. Moreover, private schools and colleges have huge problem as all the online exams have been cancelled, like medical field, fashion, law, etc. Entrance exams have been cancelled. Furthermore, private schools will see huge number of students dropping out and public schools will see a huge number of students getting admitted into it because they charge low fees. Now, the country has considered this pandemic as a huge uncertainty and there are no chances that the schools and colleges will be opened and there are no dates defined. The solution to this problem is that schools and colleges should be opened in non containment zones so that the students can resume their education, keeping in mind the social distancing norms. Furthermore, the government should provide internet facilities and the facilities of laptops and other devices so that they can have access to online learning. Without this, it is not possible. So I have considered this scenario a huge difficulty. We are going to face a huge difficulty after the lockdown ends, but I will be more than happy if the situation goes other way. So we will have huge problems to face. So we should be prepared enough so that this problem does not matter at all.